morning, Wjvs. Welcome to today's edition of Wjvs News. I'm Zechariah Murphy.
And I'm Bryla Boncato. Today is Thursday, September 19th, and we've got some news and updates for you. Starting off with a look at our Peek at the Week. Over to you, Zach.
Thanks, Bradley. For our Peek at the Week, today and tomorrow, there will be OSHA training in room 303 for heavy equipment, auto collision, and auto service. That wraps up our Peek of the Week. Stay tuned as we'll have more updates throughout the week. Over to you, Bradley.
In local news, this Sunday, Wheeling Park will host the Upper Ohio Valley Walk to End Alzheimer's at the Schwarzwälder Shelter. Registration begins at 1 p.m. featuring activities like cheerleader performances, a touch a truck event, and music by the Honky Tonk Sweethearts. Opening ceremonies will kick off the walk at 2 p.m. Event chair Tate Blanchard emphasized that donations support local Alzheimer's and dementia patients and their families, highlighting that nearly 11% of seniors in the area are affected by dementia, a number expected to rise without increased action.
Thank you, Bradley. In national news, a troubling surge in insulin prices is putting financial strain on millions of Americans with diabetes. The American Diabetes Association reports that over 34 million people in the U.S. rely on insulin. Starting in 2025, out-of-pocket costs for Medicare Part D will be capped at $35, but many patients already feel the impact. According to Bill Smith, director of pharmacy at East Liverpool City Hospital, we noticed a dramatic increase in our insulin costs. Patients are shocked to see prices rise from $8 for a 90-day supply to $50, $60, or even $70. Cindy Hilliard, a local resident, shared her experience. I went from paying $40 a month for $40 for 3 months of medicine to $200. It's very frustrating as a retiree to manage my budget. Robert Weber added, to say that's $35 a month for insulin is misleading. My price went from $8 for 90 days to $100 a month. Smith noted that patients are traveling from as far as Cleveland to access the hospital's 340B pricing program.
Now, on to this week's sports. Tomorrow, Edison versus Caldwell, Harrison Central versus Fort Fire, Big Red versus Dover, Buckeye Local versus Monroe Central, and Indian Creek versus Brook. Tonight, Toronto will go against Oak Glen, and on Saturday, Catholic Central will go against Harding. Good luck, teams.
Thank you, Bradley. Now that we're entering homecoming season, SN tickets and guest passes to its homecoming are going to be sold in the office for $15 a person through Friday, September 20th. Now, let's honor our nation by reciting the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In other news, on September 25th, Sources of Strength will be hosting an event called Stick Together during lunch periods. This event will allow students to duct tape Robin from the front office to the wall with 5 feet of tape costing $1. The goal, to spread a message of unity and show that we can all stick together as a school community. Not only will you be creating cherished memories, but you'll also be supporting the amazing work of Sources of Strength. Bring your friends, grab some tape, and let's make this a day to remember. See you there.
Now, Criminal Justice will be selling blankets for $40 to raise money for a lab. The blankets will be shipped directly to you for convenience. And if you'd like to purchase one, there are flyers around the school with contact information. This sale will end at the end of September. Now, over to you, Bradley.
Culinary is proud to present the Crestview Rise and Grind Coffee Corner. From 7:30 to 8 a.m. daily, the Crestview Inn will be serving an assorted selection of drinks, including various coffees, teas, and hot chocolate, ranging from $1 to $2. Students can hang out in the Crestview Inn prior to first period. However, students who are loud and disruptive will be asked to leave.
Now, remember, if you'd like something announced on the show, more news request forms can be found in the front office. Please submit your forms to Mr. Long or Ms. Wilson for approval.
And that wraps up another edition of the WJVS News. Thank you for joining us and have a great day, everyone.
Remember, stay informed, stay engaged, and make a great day, JVS. We'll see you live tomorrow morning with more news and updates. This is WJVS signing off.